Have you ever made a tiny mistake that led to a massive problem? Imagine your computer crashing just because of a small change in the Windows Registry. The Windows Registry is the heart of your system's configuration, and one wrong move can cause chaos. That's why it's crucial to back up the registry before making any changes. Let's dive into how you can do this manually. First, open the registry editor by pressing the Windows key plus R, typing regedit, and hitting Enter. You'll see a user account control prompt. Click Yes to proceed and open the registry editor. Next, click on File in the top left corner and select Export from the drop-down menu. In the Export Registry File dialog box, choose a location to save your backup and give it a descriptive name like Manual Backup 042423.reg. Ensure the Save as Type field is set to Registration Files, .reg, and select All to back up the entire registry. Click Save and be patient as the backup process completes. Store this file in a safe place like an external hard drive or USB key. Now, you have a safety net. If anything goes wrong, just double-click the reg file to restore your registry. Always back up before making changes to avoid disasters.